welcome back to my channel. My name is Marrol. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate it. I got my hair done. We said goodbye to the bleach and toned her to like a really nice natural dirty blonde, and I'm into it. She like pulled down my natural hair color down to the roots or the ends, so if I had to guess what my natural hair looked like, it would be something like this because all the roots are my natural hair color. Yeah, so there's that. I have some new things to show you and play with, and I am so excited. So let's get started. I already got my brows on, so we're gonna jump right in to skin stuff. Taking my Tower 28 SOS spray. I think that this stuff actually is working, and this combined with the next product I'm about to show you is, fingers crossed, going to be the best skincare combination ever, hopefully. I'm gonna let this dry. This next product is fucking stunning. Look at that. This is the Desi Skin Claro KC Vitamin C Glow Serum, and hello, would you look at this packaging? It is so beautiful. There she is. There's the little back writing. There's the little Desi symbol or like logo on the top. It's stunning. It's so beautiful. And this is the box it came in, also just so beautiful. Love these tones. 15% pure vitamin C. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean, dry face and neck for a luminous, even skin tone. Powerful antioxidants brighten the appearance of skin for a youthful glow. Use morning before sunscreen or evening after cleansing. Shake well before use. 1 fluid ounce, made in the USA. So yeah, really nice packaging. It's like weighted too. Like you could do a little arm workout with this if you needed to. This is what the cap looks like. It's pretty big. Like this bottle's pretty big. It's really stunning. And that's what that little pump looks like, a little monochromatic moment here. So we're gonna take 2 pumps. Gives you about that much product. That's 2 pumps there. Literally no scent, no scent. And the texture is like so serum-like, just like really thin consistency. Oh, it feels like water. It feels so nice on the skin. I've heard so many good things about this. Like people have been loving it, and it's been really helping their skin with like dark spots and texture. I've got all these little scars down here in my chin from like acne and like picking at it because I have that problem and I pick my face. So I'm really hoping that it will help lighten these dark spots here. So I'll keep you updated on that. I'm really excited to have this. I can't remember how much it cost, but I think shipping was $15, and then when I picked it up at the post office, it was $14. So, I mean, pricey little purchase, but I think it'll be worth it. It's so pretty. I love it. I just want to look at it all day. It sits right beside my Auric on my desk. I will be going outside later, so I'm going to take this brand new sunscreen I just bought. This is the Supergoop Glowscreen with SPF 40. I've used it a few times. I really like it. It gives a really nice glow to your skin. I'm going to take about that much. All moisturized and protected from the sun. And I'm really interested to see how this Fenty skin tint looks over this sunscreen. So we're gonna apply that now. I'm taking about that much product, and I have this in the shade 3, which might be a little bit light for me now because I'm like my hands, they're so tanned, it's crazy. Now I'm taking my Makeup Forever. Now I'm taking my makeup eraser sponge. That looks really nice with the glow screen under it. It really reminds me of Auric. This glow screen kind of. Yeah, it's nice. It really reminds me of Auric. Except there's sun protection in it. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer and some Kosas Revealer Concealer, blending it in. looks really, really good. I love the way the skin is looking right now. We are going to take our Patrick Ta bronzer in She's Statuesque, and we're going to go in with the powder first. Bronzer is so beautiful. It blends out so nicely. It builds just like so beautifully. I really love this bronzer. I'm just gonna run this across my eyelids. Why not? Now I'm gonna take this sponge and we're gonna dip into the cream. Oh my god, it's just so pretty. It just gives like the most natural glow. Oh my god, I can't even handle it. It's seriously the best. Okay, there we go. You're bronzed, bitch. Ooh, the next product that I have here to try out is this Merit blush in the shade Terracotta. Just like this beautiful rusty burnt orange. That's what it looks like. It's so, so, so pretty. So we're gonna apply that to the face. I'm just gonna put some here on the back of my hand and pick it up with a sponge. Picking it up from the back of my hand because I don't want to remove the makeup that's already on my face, and you know, I don't want to risk it. I'm not feeling risky today. That's so pretty. It's pretty sheer. Pretty sheer, but it seems like you can build it up. It's taking my foundation sponge and just kind of patting over things to make them more smooth. So now it's time to set our under eyes, and I have a new product. Do you like it if I use lots of new products, or do you prefer like a more like consistent use of products? I don't know. What do you want to see? Anyways, this new product that I have here is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. I used this once, but I was at work, so I didn't even like look at it all day basically. But we're gonna set our under eyes with this. It's really pretty, but the packaging feels like kind of not as luxurious as I was expecting it to. Like this compared to the Desi or even the Auric is like nothing in comparison to the packaging. And I have this in the shade 1. That looks really nice. I know we already put bronzer on, but we're just gonna set everything. It does look really nice. Looks a bit drying though. Looks really nice. I'll have to keep an eye on it to see if, you know, I need to add more moisture under my eyes, but for now, it looks nice. I wouldn't say it's like mind-blowing, but looks nice. I would say, yeah, it like blurred out the under eye. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it did a good job. I had higher hopes. I don't know what I was expecting, but I had like, you know, big hopes going in because it's pretty hyped up product. Looks nice. Yeah, looks fine. I'm gonna take some Auric and take the other side of this sponge. You know, I kind of feel like I want a different shade for the summertime. This one's like a little bit light. I don't think they're in stock though. Like, I don't think you can get anything right now from Auric. But one day I will. I feel like I need more blush. Like, it didn't really... Like, what happened? There's that. There's the face so far. I kind of want to just do something cute and quick for the eyes. I got this Natasha Denona palette in my BoxyCharm. Like yesterday I got it, I think, or the day before. So I want to just use a couple cute colors in here and see what happens. Nice. None of my brushes are clean. Okay, what palette is this even? This is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. And this is the second Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette I've gotten in my BoxyCharms, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna go in with vintage taupe right here. We've already got some bronzer on, so It's a really pretty color. Like, do I go in with this hot pink and then maybe the yellow shimmer? That could be cute. I'm gonna take now Intense, whoa, almost dropped it, which is this hot pink shadow. I've never really, like, I don't think I've ever used a shadow like this. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm gonna take this yellow shadow now, which is called Limoncello, and we're gonna just put it on with our finger. That looks like shit. Lots of fallout though, which is sad. Whoa, it's like freaking metallic. It's pretty pigmented. Okay, I did a way better job on that side. And I'm gonna take that other little brush and just run it through the crease. I mean, I don't know what I was going for, but oh my, I hate that. I fucking hate it. So much fallout. Looks like shit. I don't love this yellow shadow, dude. It's kind of chunky, kind of super fallouty. It's not my fave. It's not my fave. And the colors are kind of random. Like, I don't think you need to buy this palette. Don't do it. I hate this eye look so much. It looks so stupid. But it's already on our face, so there's nothing we can do about that. I kind of just dipped back and forth between the two pinks that we used and just packed on some more to the outer corner, which kind of made it cuter. There we go. Okay, it's like a bit more cute. Just a bit. I'm gonna put on some mascara. We'll be right back. Mascara is applied. I used my Tarte Maneater mascara. I like this one. I got this one in a boxy trim a while ago. I don't know what lip to do. I was gonna do something orange. I was gonna do an orange lip because I thought I would have more color payoff from the Merit blush, but it's very light. It's like, I wonder if I add more, if it'll like get all fucked, or if it will build nicely. Like, I already tried to add more, but it didn't really show up. It's like very, very sheer product. I don't know how I feel about that one. It's just not as like as intense as I was thinking it would be. I mean, it is building up, but I'm like dipping straight into this. So I think I'm just gonna do like a neutral lip. Just taking my Spice liner from Milani, doing a little straight line across the Cupid's bow, and now I'm gonna take Tower 28 Almond Milk Jelly. There we have it. Alright, let's talk about some things. I really am so excited to have this Desi Claro KC Vitamin C Serum in my possession. I can't wait to see how this works. I've taken a little photo of my skin from right now, the first day that I used it. Well, I used it yesterday, but like, whatever. So I took a photo of my skin from today without makeup on, so I can see the progress, if any, whatever happens, happens, but I have a photo of a bare face, is what I'm trying to fucking say here. Yeah, super happy to have that in my hands. Can't wait. What else did we use here today? Oh yeah, the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I think that it looks nice. Yeah, it built up well. It did a nice job of like mattifying my face, but still kind of looks like a glow is happening. Yeah, I will continue using this and see how it goes. I am kind of disappointed in the packaging. It feels very like cheap. I don't know, like my Org and these two products are like 100 times nicer. So I don't know. I just thought this would be a bit higher quality packaging. I really, really love this Supergoop Glowscreen. I think that looks so good under makeup. Like, if I'm ever going outside and putting makeup on, this is what I like use as my primer along with those other products I use today, instead of the Auric, because this does have SPF in it, which is fantastic. But like if I'm just like chilling or filming, I'll use my Auric as like my little base primer. This Merit blush is really pretty, but I just thought it would be a bit more pigmented. It's quite sheer, and it did build up, but it took a bit of effort to get it to where it is. So do what you will with that information. It is really pretty. This is the shade Terracotta. Yeah, it's nice for like an everyday, more natural look, I would say. But yeah, really, really pretty. And we already know how much I love my Patrick Ta bronzer duo. It's stunning, it's beautiful, it blends so nicely, it layers really well with other products. On my brows, I have my Anastasia Brow Freeze. Love it. Perfect, fantastic. Will never use anything else probably. Oh, I didn't even set my face. We might as well stick with the Airbrush Flawless lineup here and spray this on. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless setting spray. Just making sure it's like not gonna shoot me in the face. I'm just gonna take my little sponge and pat over a couple areas to melt it all together. Right, and there we have it. That is the face. I think the skin looks wonderful. I've got a couple days off from work now. I go back on Tuesday. It is currently Thursday, and I had yesterday off. My show ended, so I'm hopping on a new one on Tuesday. So I'm gonna get a couple videos filmed and ready to roll for my Sunday film schedule, because posting schedule. I didn't post last Sunday. I was just tired, you know, I just needed a week. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will have all of the products I used listed in the description bar down below, along with my Instagram handle. You can check me out there if you want. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.